Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ATLab Genius. In today's session we are taking an Excel Module 2 SAM exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. Focusing on Excel Module 2 SAM exam. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and both are shown on PC screen. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Okay. Answer that. Okay. Use flash fill to fill range C4 to C20 after typing long KTN cell C4 and HN and cell C5. HN cell C5. Okay, correct answer. You can see here. Then enter a formula using arithmetic operation and parenthesis in cell D11 that adds the numbers of parentheses participants in cell D4, D5, D6 and D7 and the multiples that result by 12. Okay. Enter formula using arithmetic operation, but this is D11 that adds the number of participant in cell D4. Okay, then multiplying by result 12. You can see. Enter formula. Number of participant is D4 plus D5 plus D4 plus D5 plus D7. Multiplying by 12. Okay, correct answer. In cell E10, create a formula by entering cell references that adds cell B9 and B10 and then subtracts cell E8. Entering formula in cell E10. In cell E10, entering formula in cell E10. In cell E10, click on cell E10. Entering formula, create a formula by entering cell references that adds cells B9 and B10, B9 plus B10, and then subtract cell E8, subtract from cell E8. Okay, it's done now. Answer correct. Next question is that in cell F18, create a formula using the count function that count the number of values in the ranges F4 to F16. Basically, in step we will have to enter formula in cell F18. Create a formula using the count function. In cell F18, click on cell F18, create a formula to the count function. Number of values ranges F4 to F16. Select this range F4 to F16. Okay, then press enter. Okay, answer correct. It will be fine. Question number 6 is that in cell H26 create a formula using the count a function that counts the number of cells that are not empty in the ranges H6 to H25. Basically in this step we will enter a formula in cell H26 using the count a function that counts the number of cells that not may empty to the range at 5 to 25. Okay. Inside I26 I26 in I26 enter a formula inside I26 count a function that contain number of cells are not mapped in the ranges H5 to H25. H5 enter H5 to H25, then press enter. Okay, it will be correct answer. Okay, I have done 6 questions. Now moving to question number 7. Question number 7 is that for ranges B4 to B18 create a new conditional formatting rule that formats the top 5 cells in the range with an orange accent 6 cell background color, the last color option in the top row of color. First we select this range B4 to B18, then create a new conditional formatting rule. Second question is that create a conditional formatting rule. First we select this range B4 to B16, then go to home tab, then go to conditional formatting, then new rule, range with orange, top of the cell in the range with an orange accent 6 cell background color, top of with orange. Okay, correct answer. It's done now. I have done 7 question of this exam. Now moving on 8 question of the exam. 8th question is that apply the integral theme row 1 column 4 to the current workbook. Apply the integral theme row 1 column 4 to the current workbook. Row 1 to column 4, then go to home tab, then go to page layout, then theme, then integral theme. Okay, answer correct. Question number 9 is that change the first color of cell E3 to orange accent 6 letter 60% theme color section row 2 column 10. Okay, change the fill color of cell E3. Change the fill color of cell E3. Change the fill color of cell E3 to orange accent 6 letter 80 theme color section row 3 column 10. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz or complete course from my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. I have done this exam and done this course for many students. They all got 100% grade with okay. Color to E3 orange accent 6 letter 60. Okay. Answer sorry. Go to next class. First we then okay. Orange. Okay, answer correct 6 and 60%. Okay, I have done this. Now question number 10 is that apply a top and double bottom border to the range A12 to D12. Basically we will select this ranges A12 to D12, then we will apply top and double bottom border to these ranges. Go to home tab, go to border, top and bottom border, top and double bottom border. Answer correct. Okay. Question number 11 is that add an outline border with the orange S&6 theme color section, top row and last option the color to cell C12, that selection cell A3. Okay. Add outline border with the orange S&6. Okay. Apply the March 14, 2012 date number format to the cell C4. Apply March 14, 2012 date number for click on cell C4. Then apply March 14, 2012 date format. March 14 to okay, done. Okay, answer correct. I have done 13 question. Now I have done 12 question. Now 13 question. That for values in the ranges before to be 11, adjust the number of decimal places so that 2 decimal places are displayed. For values in the range, first we select this range, adjust the number of decimal places. Okay. First we select this range, adjust the number of decimal places. Answer is not correct. Okay, I have done this. Now question number 14 is that apply the percentage number format with no decimal place to the range C4 to C15. Okay, apply the percentage number format with no decimal place. First we select this range and apply percentage number format with no decimal places. First we select this range. First we select this range C4 to C15. Okay, then go to home tab, then apply percentage number format with no decimal places. Answer correct. I have done 14 question. Now 15 question that added the conditional formatting rule for range B4 to B17 to highest cells whose values is less than $15,000. Use the same cell formatting. Okay, first we select this range, go to conditional formatting. Okay, use a formula to the format value where the formula and rule $15,000. $15,000. Cell whose value is less than $15,000. Okay, we try this task. Sorry. Okay, clear the conditional formatting rule from the range B4 to B18. Conditional formatting, clear rules. Okay, it will be clear. Answer correct. Okay, hide column G. Click on column G and hide column G. Answer correct. Okay, I have done 18 question of this exam. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on PC screen. I will provide you A plus grade in your exams, quizzes, assignment and complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.